Now, I'm not a fluent Irish speaker, so I felt a little bit unqualified to be doing this. So I'm after getting in my cousin, Keith O'Brien, who is a fluent Irish speaker, to help us out a little bit, make sure I don't make any mistakes, even though this is going to be fairly basic now. Where do we start? Start off with some greetings, I suppose, and that kind of thing. So in the Irish language, there isn't technically a word for hello, but if you were to say hello in Irish.
So yeah, the overarching hello would be dia chuit, which literally means God to you, God be with you, I suppose. And then the response to that would be dia n-imeodh, which is God and Mary with you or to you. So it'd be like dia chuit.
Dia n-imeodh.
Yeah, and now also I'm doing a kind of a glottal sound there, dia chuit. It's spelled D-U-I-T, but in general we put kind of a shevu, kind of a softened sound on it. So we put the dia chuit, particularly in the west of Ireland, in Connemara and stuff like that. So you say dia chuit.
Dia n-imeodh.
God be with you. God and Mary be with you.
Perfect. Just before we get back into the rest of the video, I just want to talk about today's video sponsor, MyHeritage. I've partnered up with MyHeritage and I'm just after receiving their DNA testing kit, which I'm going to take right now. So thanks so much to MyHeritage for sponsoring the video. I've actually been talking about doing a DNA test for years and I just never really got around to it. So I'm fairly excited to see what kind of results I'm going to get from this. Taking this test literally only takes a couple of minutes. You simply take the swab and scrape the inside of your cheeks for about 60 seconds. Then you open the vial and insert the swab inside. Lastly, you close the vial, place it in the cotton pad in the zip-locked bag, mail it to the collection centre and wait for your results. Your DNA results will tell you your ethnicity estimate by percentage breakdown. Additionally, MyHeritage actually has a platform that helps you build your family tree and research your family history. And just to note, MyHeritage has committed in its privacy policy to never sell or license genetic data. For my DNA results, I'm expecting mostly Irish. I mean, my parents, my grandparents, my great-grandparents, etc. were all Irish. But saying that, my surname is Holden, and the Holden surname is said to originate in England, so maybe there's going to be some English in there as well. And maybe there's going to be something that's going to surprise me too. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to post this to the collection centre and let's see what happens. Okay, so my results have just arrived from MyHeritage, so let's open them up live and have a look at what I got. Okay, here we go. 99% Irish, Scottish and Welsh. Okay, that's what I was expecting, I guess. And then what's 1%? 1%?